Welcome to Z Tech Advisor, your go-to destination for simplified cybersecurity and IT topics. We believe that learning about cybersecurity and IT should be enjoyable and straightforward, so we break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand explanations. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of technology with us. Cryptography is an essential tool in information security because it helps keep data safe by encoding it in a way that only authorized individuals can understand. Imagine if all of our conversations were audible or our emails visible to everyone. That would be chaos. Cryptography steps in to provide privacy and confidentiality, ensuring that only intended recipients can access the encrypted messages. One of the most widely used methods of encryption is symmetric key cryptography. This involves using a secret key to encrypt and decrypt messages, making it straightforward for both parties involved in the conversation to communicate securely. On the other hand, asymmetric key cryptography uses public and private keys for encryption and decryption respectively. This approach is particularly useful for digital signatures and authentication purposes. A popular type of asymmetric cryptography is the RSA algorithm, named after its creators Rivest, Shamir, and Adelman. It's a great choice for secure communications over unsecured channels like email or FTP because the public key can be made available to anyone without compromising security. Now, let's talk about hash functions and digital signatures. Hash functions are used to create a fingerprint of a message by subjecting it to a one-way function called a hash function. Digital signatures are used to verify the authenticity of a message by using a private key with an algorithm that was previously signed using a public key. This way, when someone receives your message, they can verify that it came from you by checking your public key signature. Cryptography is a crucial tool for information security professionals, providing protection for sensitive information against unauthorized access in various environments and enabling many other security functions. Essentially, cryptography involves the use of mathematical algorithms to transform information into an unreadable format for unauthorized individuals, while allowing authorized individuals to revert it to a readable form. This process relies on two primary operations, encryption and decryption. Encryption converts plain text, readable data, into ciphertext, unreadable data, using an encryption key, while decryption reverses this transformation, converting ciphertext back into plain text using a decryption key. To better understand these operations, let's clarify what an algorithm is. An algorithm is a set of mathematical instructions designed to achieve a specific outcome, much like a recipe. Algorithms are similar to computer code, and indeed, computer code often implements these mathematical processes. For example, consider a simple algorithm to calculate the area of a rectangle. The algorithm takes two inputs, the length and width of the rectangle, multiplies these two values together, and provides the output, the area of the rectangle. Encryption algorithms work similarly, but involve more complex steps. They take two inputs, the plaintext message and an encryption key. Through a series of steps, the algorithm transforms the plaintext into ciphertext. Decryption algorithms perform the reverse process using two inputs, the ciphertext and a decryption key, to convert the unreadable ciphertext back into readable plaintext. To illustrate with a real-life example, imagine sending a confidential email. When you type your message, plaintext, and send it, an encryption algorithm uses your encryption key to convert the readable message into ciphertext. This encrypted message travels across the internet and, upon reaching the recipient's email server, the recipient uses their decryption key to run the decryption algorithm, transforming the ciphertext back into readable plaintext. In the real world, many companies rely heavily on cryptography. For instance, Apple uses end-to-end encryption to protect users' messages on iMessage and FaceTime, ensuring that only the sender and recipient can read or view them. Another example is PayPal, which employs encryption to safeguard financial transactions and personal data, ensuring that sensitive information like credit card details and account numbers remain secure during online payments. Additionally, Google uses encryption to protect data stored on its servers and during transmission between data centers, ensuring that user data in services like Gmail and Google Drive is secure. Microsoft also employs encryption across its suite of products, such as encrypting data in Microsoft 365 and protecting information exchanged over its Azure cloud platform. WhatsApp implements end-to-end encryption for all messages, calls, photos, and videos shared on the platform, ensuring privacy and security for its users. Finally, Amazon uses encryption to protect data stored in its AWS cloud services and during transactions on its e-commerce platform, ensuring that customer data and payment information are secure. Signal uses end-to-end encryption to secure all forms of communication on its platform, from messages to voice and video calls, providing robust privacy for its users. Zoom implements end-to-end encryption for its video conferencing service, ensuring that meetings are secure and private. Dropbox uses encryption to protect files stored and shared on its platform, ensuring that user data remains private and secure. Facebook uses encryption for its messaging services, including Messenger and WhatsApp, to protect user communications from unauthorized access. These real-world examples highlight how integral cryptography is to protecting sensitive data and maintaining privacy in various digital platforms. These basic concepts form the foundation of cryptography. As we delve deeper into the course, you'll explore different cryptographic algorithms, their specific steps, and the various roles of different types of cryptographic keys. That wraps up today's video on cryptography from Z-Tech Advisor. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic tutorials. Stay safe and happy learning!